ABC, come sing with me. Learning letters is so easy. Clap your hands and jump around. Let's learn ABC with sound. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bounce to the beat. C for cat, who says meow. D for dog, let's pet him now. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for goat, he likes to play. H for hat, wear it today. ABC, sing with me. Letters are fun, can't you see? Clap your hands and dance around. Letters make a joyful sound. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for jelly, oh so sweet. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, hear him cry. M for monkey, climbing a tree. N for nest, for birds to be. O for orange, juicy delight. P for penguin, dressed in white. ABC, sing with me. Letters are fun, can't you see? Clap your hands and dance around. Letters make a joyful sound. Q for queen, wearing a crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining bright. T for turtle, slow but right. U for umbrella, when it rains. V for violet, lovely refrains. W for whale, swimming free. X for xylophone, music key. I for yak, strong and tall. Z for zebra, stripes for all. ABC, now we're done. Learning letters is so much fun. Clap and sing, hip hip hooray. We learned our ABC today.